If you've ever wondered how to upload high-quality videos from your mobile device for your audience to enjoy, you're in the right place. We'll show you how you can upload 1080p and even 4K videos to YouTube right from your iPhone or Android device. The first thing that you want to do is to open the YouTube mobile app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account on which you upload videos. I'm logged into app Tutor, and that's where I upload these videos. You want to tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen, and this menu with a bunch of different options will show up for you. We'll tap on the Settings button in order to open the YouTube account settings, and then find the Uploads button, which should be somewhere at the bottom of our screen. When you open the Upload settings, you're going to see two different options that we can customize. We have the Upload over Wi-Fi only, but we'll want to tap on the first option, which is Upload Quality. And in here, you can select between a couple of different upload resolutions. If your quality was 360 or 480p, then the upload quality was low and maybe your video was blurry. You want to make sure that this is set to, at least, 1080p if you want your videos to be high definition. But you can also set it to a full quality option, so if your video is 2K or 4K, you will be able to upload a video to YouTube in its full quality. So set it to the full quality option and your uploads will be clear and HD. If you want more similar YouTube and other tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.